quickly want to give out a disclaimer and then warn you guys to behave yourselves. Because this one coming is not classed in the category of the normal comedians. This one has lost himself.
Oh, you to say I vote? Peter will be why I go vote person when I know his age? See this one. To get to president age, you go solve. I like a president that keeps mathematics alive. You go solve. Sheyi Tinubu is 42. How old is his father? Take X equal.
Please give it all for the man we call Dexmond.
Alpha now. I bet you want to play stop for me. Tomorrow night you will say you pave way for me for small song. This is a small song you used to pave the way that I came in. That small song. Make I hear anybody to say pave way for me for not kill up. Alpha now the round of applause for Chris Tucker. He don't try. See this off. Hey, come. Let me touch them for that side. Not be family meeting na comedy show. They discuss bet Naija. This is only your ticket cut. I'll stone you this mic for you. It's sad you're happy. Everybody ticket cut now. Just score one goal, one no. If to see that ticket enter, I will not come to the show. You know what I don't plan. If you know what I don't plan. I don't say this week, I will invest. Invest. I'm not sitting the country again, bet Naija want kill us. Every day, I play bet. And you know say betting get one near success syndrome. Every time when you play, it go be like say you don't almost catch them. That's what betting be. It always be like say you don't almost catch them. I play 10 games, 2 cut them. I play 2, 1 cut him.
They play 1.
I play 1, he caught. I not play yesterday, my slippers caught. I just I say, which kind of nonsense with this? Which day will I be successful? Nonsense thing with betting they do us. Everybody just they also. Yesterday, now I say make I write joke for this show. I go browse the internet. I say make I even see what they happen when first if it's take crack joke as M.O.P don't pave way for me. Make I use the way where I dey browse internet, complain everywhere. Everybody just they complain. Dollar. Prrr. They say Tinubu don't scatter the country. Everybody they complain. Everybody apart from the Igbos. The Igbos no they complain no. They just they sing. Igbo, yes now Igbo people just they sing. You know not the browse internet. People just they sing. They just they happy. I don't know how they just they happy. Anywhere you see 2 or 3 Igbo people in a studio. I say, I go buy DVD for Alaba. If you hear track when I hear, for one DVD one I want buy, see song where they just they sing. I know they hear their language, but you must hear Tinubu, Nigeria, 12 years. If you see music, if people continue like this, they go first Davido win Grammy. If they continue like this, music everywhere, for their corner, you use the. When they born me before, they say now only one flavor day Igbo land. Different flavor day. And they say they only baffle me, they pay me because I remember during election, now Yoruba people be they sing. I remember now. Yoruba people be they sing during election. Now after election, Igbos don't discover their talent. You know, just they baffle me, they pay me. Because why all the tribe for this country no fit just unite? Yes now. Why all of us no fit just sing at the same time? That too, she don't start say you pave way for me, causing your laugh loud pass. And nobody did it for me. I'm doing it by myself here. Hey. I say I don't need assistance. Tomorrow. I'm very keen on this. Idris Abukarim now is saying he made the way for Jesus too. I don't need assistance. I came here alone. I will leave here alone. Crazy times, man. No time for this country where we they unite. The only time for this country where all the tribe they unite now have advertisement. Yes, now. Not only detergent advertisement they unite us for this country. They won't advertise homo, carry women from different tribes. And the only time where we they unite for this country. People will vote Peter Obi, they laugh. People will vote Tinubu. Like say not be the same country, all of us there. If you know the things where they baffle me, they tweet every day now. Egg is not 3.9. I hope people that voted APC are buying it for one. Which kind of mumu? Who go sell them for them for 1,000? Don't be the same country, all of us there. No unity for the country. Everybody just they do their own. We see they mock each other now. We be say things don't double price. Everything don't triple price now. People they work out for supermarket now. They look price like say that they look mirror. I see one guy for supermarket yesterday. They look price tag like saying they look mirror. Just the work out for the. You guys made mistake. Come. Is that come? Come and see. That's not the price of milk. The man look at. Okay, that's the price of milk. For milk. Milk. Is this what people are selling milk for? Milk. No wahala. The man for my front, I know the joke for supermarket. The man come on phone calling mama. He say hello, mommy. I did. Which age you thought say I stopped to the suck breast? That. The mama says 6 months. He says 6 months. I quick stop. I can't complete. You think I will buy milk from this animal when I still have mother with 2 breasts? Come on there. Milk don't cost, everything don't cost, but we still they find time they mock one another. Sad, my sister. One of the show, Molly did the show. Very sad, man. People they tweet, open me locals and buy it. Oh no, say contrary to public opinion, contrary to what you know, people who vote APC know they actually suffer for this regime. Yes, now. Yes, people who vote APC they buy things cheaper. Tinubu don't give us code on how to buy things cheaper. Anybody who vote APC where they suffer for this regime, na person will not they come meeting. We give me oh, when you say I vote, Peter will be why I go vote person when I know his age. See this one. Make I vote president. Why? Not disrespectful thing. Now why you go know your president age? I like my president mysterious. Just something. Will they solve? Well, to get to president age, you go solve. I like a president that keeps mathematics alive. You go solve. Sheyi Tinubu is 42. How old is his father? Take X equal. Board mass. Now, what do they enjoy? Board mass, not president or just, how old is your president? You go, get it. They weaken the brain. All those things, easy. I don't like it. The president with the ID age like, babe, that's sexy. I vote Tinubu now. Tinubu tell us for the last meeting. After he tell us, enjoy your weekend. He tell us how to enjoy the weekend. He give us one code. Now only people who vote APC, the thing they work for. Me, Sheilo, and co. I did tell them, only was the thing they work for. I go share them with you now. But you no go work for, now no vote APC now. Now go, you're the suffer. If you want to buy things cheaper, now secret to the year, you go need them. if you want to buy things cheaper, see those people when they discuss Bet Naija, na cheaper, they don't quiet. If you want to buy things cheaper for this regime, just go any Yoruba woman store. The year, as you enter the store, before you begin pick anything, this is steps, so if you miss any step, they will increase the price. Before you begin pick anything, just shout at the top of your voice. Bulama! Bala blue! One spirit will be like Oshomole, go just come outside, they change the prices. But just they walk. I'm not going to eat, they walk. Why you say Shaylo? I they come. Why you say, you know what Shaylo last interview? Shaylo saying go beat Nobo Igwe. It is a person who never chop go get that kind of mind. Not be, oh no way you want beat Igwe. He saying go beat Nobo Igwe. Shaylo, they buy things cheap now. You don't chop, get power. If you want to get power, try that thing. Just not go Igbo people store, they feel they single. Yoruba only go Igbo people store, go shout Bulaba, spoil one of their music, they knock something for your head, now you sabi. And the only way this country fit work. And before I come out, I still get one thing because I vote Tinubu and I go stand on them. I still believe in Tinubu government too. Yes. You two go play too, they crazy. I go tell una why. Una know they ever do reasoning for this country. Make we reason together. No, not be fight. I know now you will vote Peter Obi. But enjoy yourself. Me, I know I voted. 2 people vote Tinubu in win. You know they fear that kind of person. 2 people vote one man, he become president. You know they fear him. I respect that man. No. I say, this Tinubu government, I still believe him because of history. Because of Jonathan government. I remember Jonathan government that time. I saw will be the yab and say Jonathan no they work. But we don't know. Say that time when Jonathan did government, people there where they scatter in government, they sabotage in government. They just gather, they spoil in government. The only person will be support Jonathan genuinely that time, and his wife Patience. And even that one support came at a price. That woman go interview, say my fellow widows, kill Jonathan for our front. Murder the president, turn out to Walking Dead. And the feeling when I get this Tinubu government, they try. People there where they sabotage Tinubu government. No, I don't know. People there where they sabotage Tinubu government now. Yes, now I go tell you then today. That hit way up earlier this year. It is that in a natural hit. See you. PDP hits now they hit where PDP release. If it's if I see PDP hit, I no go know. That's a PDP sponsored hit. Now me they tell you. I know that the hit they so strategic. Hit will not happen during December where everybody dey outside. It go happen for February where 2 or more people need to dey inside. February, month of love, where 2 or more people need to just, celebrate value. They tap. Now not coming by this time. I go do my show now. Now me be the M.O.P, they come. Mona, no worry.
Go to you join. I join too.
Heat. They want to use heat spoil Tinubu government because they know say if they bring heat for February, we go notice because we need them inside. But guess what? Nigerian men like sex, so that heat not stop them. Jesus, that heat not stop the next generation of children where they go born, the kind of hot temper where they go get.
Yes.
Yeah, now I know the Greek common show. They say my time don't finish. I go.